Hello, my name is Bjørn Smalbro and I'm a graphic designer and freelancer. I mostly work with industrial graphic design, technical documentation and product development. What I'm going to show you now is a FrameMaker 2019 extend script which has been written by Quatro of Carmen Publishing. When installed, we can find it here under Format, and it sits here in this menu point, and it's called Delete Formats. When you open it, you are presented for three options for three targets where you can work with the formatting of documents. You can target a folder of FrameMaker files, or you can target a specific book or a specific document. In this case, I have made a test document in order to show you how it works. We can click options here. We can delete unused paragraph formats or all paragraph formats, character formats, table formats, object styles, and we can delete unused condition formats, which is a nice feature, and we can delete cross-references formats, marker types, all sorts of marker types, master pages, reference pages, variable formats. It's an excellent tool for spring cleaning your documents, but it's also an excellent tool in conjunction with another script by Quatro, which is called Template Tools. Template Tools installs here and takes up these menu points here, and I'm going to give you a quick demo how you can work with both scripts in conjunction with each other. I have taken this document here, which is a standard technical piece of documentation. It comes with a long list of styling, but not all styles are used, and we are going to delete the unused ones. So I go to Delete Formats and click Delete Unused Paragraph Formats, and I click OK. So now my list of unused formats is cleaned, and now I can start working with the style sheet of this template. So I'll just send the text over to another page here, and I click here, and we find the paragraph designer, which sits up here. It's called Paragraph Designer, and now I can send this heading and accompanying text to top of page, and we should do so. Click Apply. Now, using the Template Tools extend script, which sits here, I can create a list of text which has been formatted using exactly this template here. So when I take this palette over here and this one down here, I can work dynamically with my template. For instance, working with the body styling, I want another look and feel of this template. So I go for instance, a Frutica font here, and we can take like this, apply, and we can remove overrides. So quickly we can address the exact formats which has been used in this particular template, and so to speak, model the template into a new shape. To give you another example of how effective this little script is, I want to delete markers, variables. I want to clean up all unused tags in my character catalog and all unused tags in my paragraph catalog. So I go to Format, select Delete Formats, and now I select unused paragraph formats and unused character formats. I select unused marker types and unused variable formats. So, and perhaps we should take unused cross references along with us. So we click OK, and look how clean our template suddenly became, and much more usable. We can do the same with master pages. So we show our master pages here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and we go to Format and Delete Formats, and now I want to address my master page users. So I click unclick here, and and I go for my master pages. Click delete unused master pages. So we click OK, and one of my master pages disappears. It's a very effective way of trimming your document to something usable.